In the previous video, we've done a brake fluid change before. However, at that time we did it with 2 people. For this video, I will do the brake fluid change myself. Yes, myself, without the help of others. Many other video tutorials do the brake fluid change yourself. But after I see, there is still no complete way of explanation. Some of them are even misleading. Friends, watch this video. I will explain in full how, and hopefully can be understood by all of you. For the example of the car you said, it's still my own car. And start of work, I will do the draining along with dismantling the top brake master. I have to do this first, because I see there are signs of dirty settling in the tube. Okay, let's disconnect the battery. So that work can be more flexible, this battery should just be removed. So friends, look, this is already in the from of dirt. This signs indicate that we must immediately clean the inside of the top brake master. This is arguably still safe. The top brake master can still be saved, as long as the inside wall of the tube is still clean. Different if the wall in the tube is dirty and dark, as in the case of the previous Xenia car. If it's like this, most likely the upper brake master is about to be damaged. Okay, I used to finish the content in the tube, so that the release of the top brake master is not too troublesome. Disconnect the tube cable along with the booster hose. Prepare the clutch below, then unscrew the pipe bolts with a 10 spanner. Okay, the bolts are still hard. I'll try spraying it with oil first. Wait a moment for 5 minutes. After that, we can open this bolt easily. After the top brake master can be removed, we first wipe around the booster hole. Wipe the booster hole until it's dry. Do not let any residual oil stick. After wiping, we close first like this. For the booster hole is closed with plastic insulation. And for these 2 pipes covered with plastic bags and tipped with rubber. Okay, for safety, from the harshness of the brake fluid content, I will first wash the area contaminated by this brake fluid. For demolition of the top brake master, I just skip the time, because I've done it before on the Xenia brake master in the previous video. If friends want to know how to unload it, please click the link above. Okay, this is how it looks after cleaning. Just rub it with a cloth napkin and spray the throttle body cleaner. Friends can see, it's pretty clean. Just clean like this. Do not use harsh cleaning fluids, because it will damage the brake master cylinder.